Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. Please guys, I need you all to do something for me. Let me know in the comment section how you have seen our vlogmas video so far. Like, tell me your thoughts, what you think. Is it going well? Like, do you like the videos? Okay, while we do that, if this is your first time coming to this channel, you are very welcome. Please do well to subscribe and yeah, do all of the nice stuff. You can as well check our previous videos from day 1 to 10, as this is day 11. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by. Do enjoy this video. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I make this chicken samosa or money bag filling. Okay, I use the same filling for both chicken samosa and money bag. So on this fateful day, I went to the market to get chicken, a specific order though, because I really do not want to stock up in my freezer at this period. Okay, so I have this order of which I just gave price due to my previous price list, and I went to the market to get what I will need. And what I know I needed was like 1 kg of chicken. I would take just a bit out from it and then fry the rest of it for the client order. But getting to the market, last time I bought chicken, it was 2,600 naira. Getting to the market, a kilo of chicken was 3,500 naira. Like, what did I just hear? You get? So I was just like, oh my god. And this is why I like to have these things in stock. Like, I like to have them in my fridge, so I will know, okay, when I'm giving price list, I will be accurate to get. So now I've collected payment, I've collected this order. How will I go and tell my client that, oh, this thing is not the same? So what did I do? I have to make sure I salvaged it. Okay, so the amount of chicken I would have needed for this filling should have been more than this, but because I can't buy more chicken, that would be me running at loss. So I have to like salvage it and make sure I still get the quantity of filling I need from a like little amount of chicken. Okay, and yeah, in this video I'll be showing you how I did that. I'm so sorry, I'm like putting my hands because I'm trying to pick out bones. My friend helped me to shred this chicken and like bring it to a blend and all of that, so she didn't remove all of the chicken. So I'm just like seeing some bones and I'm trying to get them out. Okay, so enjoy this video and yeah, let me know at the end of it what you think, if I did well, like the way I salvaged it in order to get the quantity I needed. Okay, so this amount of chicken is not what I'm supposed to be using. Like I mentioned, I was going for a bigger quantity, but I salvaged it somehow and still get a good quality samosa and money bag wraps. So yeah guys, let's watch and yeah, tell me what you think. Okay, all right, enjoy the rest of the video. So just a quick detail of what is going on in the pan already. I usually just boil my chicken together with my fried chicken or whatever. So I just boil it and then take out the fleshy part, which is majorly the breast parts. Okay, chicken breast that has less bone and easy to shred. Okay, I just take that out, remove the little bone I have there, and use my food processor to shred it. You can actually use your hands, but then it will give you maybe a bigger size compared to what you can see right now. So in a dry pan, there was no oil whatsoever on the pan. I added the shredded chicken, the shredded cooked chicken. Okay, you have to cook your chicken with seasoning and other things that you usually cook your chicken with. So I added that dry shredded chicken to a dry pan, and yeah, I stir until I know it's dry and there's no one is sticking to each other, like it's single, like everything is single. Okay, so after which I added a sauce, which is like my stew sauce I usually coat my chicken with. Okay, so I always have this sauce in my fridge because I always coat my chicken on that sauce. I added it and I stir for a long while just so I know everything is dry in there, and then I'm adding my veggies, onions, and yeah. Okay, let me tell you about the way I salvaged this recipe. Okay, I added more carrots. Yes, because I'm not supposed, like, the chicken is meant to be more, but because chicken is quite expensive, and with 200 naira carrots I can have a lot of shredded carrots, right? Like what I have there is less than 200 naira carrots, because I know I bought carrots of 300 naira and I shared it into two. So let's say that is 150 naira carrots, and I added a lot of it, as you can see. So adding a lot of it actually elevated this chicken, and it gave me a lot of feeling, okay? And this feeling was even remaining when I finished the quantity of samosas and money bag I was doing. So yeah, this is just the simple way, and as you can see, it's still healthy, it's still looking nice, there's still like visible chicken in there. It's not like, oh, it's all covered with carrot, no, but at least I was able to salvage it, and yeah, my customer was happy and everybody was happy. Of course, I didn't run at loss, I was happy, my customer was happy, and yeah, that's what matters, okay? So this is it, and yeah, let me know what you think, like I said before, and if you'll be trying this, or if this is something you think is good, let me know as well, okay? So guys, moving forward, I remember the first time I made money bag on this channel, I made a revelation that, oh, we don't get spring onions like easily where I live, and if at all we are getting, it will be maybe shrinked or not fresh. And yeah, somebody in the comment section said it's like I can use toothpick to salvage the ceiling, okay? And yeah, today actually I have been giving it a try, and yeah, I don't know, but today I said let me show you guys what it looks like whenever I give it a try. It's always a struggle though, because sometimes it don't just like fall in place, but yeah, if I don't get spring onions, it's okay to try this. Mostly when you are making a lot of money bag, imagine you buying a lot of spring onions just because you want to get the grass on the onion. So I think this comes in handy, but yeah, let me show you guys how it went, okay? I actually have few spring onions I use for my Chinese cuisine, and I just use some of the branches for some of this, okay? But yeah, the point of adding this particular content to this video is because I want to show you guys how the toothpick pattern works, okay? So yeah, thank you to that person that actually gave me this idea. Thank you so much. I actually didn't know about this before, let me not lie. So when I read that comment, I gave it a try, and I've used it like in more than 3 occasions, and it worked perfectly. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how it works for me, okay? So yeah, enjoy watching, guys.
no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came, I come, my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine.